Hi all. So let us see continuation of the last topic, that is as we all saw what is food safety. The main thing that plays the major role is the allergen. So we have to have an alert on what is allergen. So allergen means it's nothing but uh, many allergens are found in certain types of food products. For example, all the products containing the gluten, that is the grains which has more of gluten content, have the possibility of more of allergen causing agents. Same way, for example, milk and milk products, fish and its products, egg and its egg products, nut products also. Sometimes those contains the sulfites in few processed foods also cause the allergens in many food product. So what do you mean by the allergen management? So in this, let us see what is the responsibility of an oil company in allergen management, and what is the responsibility of any food handler in the management of allergen, and the consumer responsibility. So based on that, as we all saw, what are all the foods that are responsible for allergic reactions are peanuts, tree nuts, sesame seeds, eggs, soya beans, milk, various grains, fish, and the sulfites. So these are all the possible foods that contain the allergic substances. So first, going into this, the responsibility of any FBO in allergen, okay, management is they will provide safe, wholesome food to the marketplace, and also they will provide proper information with the product to allow the consumer to an informed choice. So what we say is they are providing a safe and wholesome food to the marketplace. That is how, and how it is done is, first they undergo the allergen policy and program. They find they sort out the risk assessment, then formulation control, ingredient management, process control, packaging, label control, and employee training. So likewise, by following all these steps, they take a responsibility of providing us the safe and the wholesome food to the marketplace. So likewise, first let us see what is the allergen program they are they are conducting. So first is the expectation of the program, then training, restriction of approved products, marketing program, hygienic practices. So then programming environment, its responsibilities, consequences, and the employees awareness about the food allergen and have a response about it. So for this, what type of policy, good manufacturing practices, standard operating procedure, monitoring deviation procedure, and like who, what, when, where, why, and how. Likewise, they question and they take an analysis of the completely. So first one is the formulation control, that is no unapproved changes to the formulation. They use only most recent approved formula, and they follow the standard operating procedure for any scaling and use. Next is the management of the ingredient. How it is done is they purchase only approved from the raw material from the approved survivors, and purchase can use only approved ingredients and store to prevent the damage and cross contamination. And next is the process control. So process control is nothing but sequencing products, scaling, shielded lines, rework, label control, and the cleaning of equipments. And how they provide a proper information with the product label is they give an ingredient list, instruction for use, warnings, information, and the contact. Likewise, they provide proper information for labeling also, like any misrepresentation or accurate labeling is done to the regulation. And they also hold the responsibilities of the food handler. Advice of formulation or process sufficiency. They do not make decisions which can affect food integrity or safety, and also they use rework only in the product for which it was originally produced, and understand and do their job as trained. And as a food handler, they prepare which contain allergens after all other products have been produced, and they follow sequence as directed. They avoid cross contamination, and they wash hands thoroughly after handling any use of allergens, and they wash thoroughly even after heating. Then also as a food handler, they use aprons and clothing that is free of allergens, and also they keep it from dust free by proper sanitation, and also to prevent the cross contaminations. And by using of ingredients, they close it properly, and only when it is not in use, and they use specified equipment and the utensils. Consumer responsibility is like they educate the families and the consumers, be aware of any pitfalls in the product, and they make educated decisions based on the reliable information. So they also tell people to remember, those don't assume just like we can use the food as do your job as train, like they do no cross contaminate, properly label all the packet and the containers. So as such, we have to be concerned and be aware, and also be allergen aware mostly. Thank you.